Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on noise suppression for Microsoft Teams. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams software. Then, from the top right side, just click on Settings and More button. From here, just click on Settings button. Once you're here, there's a hidden panel over here. You just have to put your mouse here, then just click and drag, and it will open up. From here, you just have to go inside Device, and under Audio Settings, you will find Noise Suppression. If it's turned on, then good, but if it's turned off, just click on it and make it on. And that's basically it. And that is gonna save you from the embarrassing noise through your mic during meetings. And basically that is it. And that is how to turn on noise suppression on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.